Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some Little Nightmares theories that I made up, which are probably not real. So my first theory is that the hunter from Little Nightmares 2 might actually trying to be saving Six from the signal tower. I'll give you some reasons. The first reason is why he traps her into the room so the signal reach doesn't make it all the way to her room. That's one theory. Second theory is that the hunter, the reason why he shoots them is because he doesn't want them to get away to the signal tower, which is understandable. And it's kind of sad to see him get shot when he might actually just be saving them. That includes Mono. My second theory is how the reason why Mono wears his bag is because if he takes it off, like the viewers and stuff will see him, and he doesn't want like the Thin Man to know who he is. So when they finally meet, he takes off his bag and sucks the life out of Thin Man, which is understandable since we proved that Mono is Thin Man. Third theory, the reason why there's so much conspiracies, that Six actually might be the lady's daughter from the first game. And those ugly guests are just the lady's family and friends, which is understandable. But one thing is that if they were her family and friends, the guests wouldn't try and kill Six. Alright, fourth theory. Now this one is kind of straightforward. The reason why how Mono got how he was and became the Thin Man is probably because when he sat underneath of like the flesh tower and when Six dropped him, right? You see him transform into the Thin Man. That's probably because the eyes are turning him into Thin Man. Because they have such a good resemblance to each other. And if Thin Man is the guy in the top hat, then why is Mono wearing a bag, you must say? Probably because he's hiding his face. Conspiracy 5. So the viewers' eyes probably came out because they got glued to the screen. They got like warped into the screen. And the warpstation made their eyes like come out of their sockets, and now like flesh just covers up their eye holes. Pretty dark theory if you ask me. So the way that they watch stuff is they actually just look at it through like their melted skin, which is super scary. If you've seen the Bandai Namco things for like how there was gonna be like original characters, maybe the barber would be like right after the doctor. Makes sense why he would be after the doctor, right? But one thing is that could be before, because the doctor uses like these parts to do like make people into mannequins. And similarities can be said to the hunter who takes people's dead bodies and taxidermies them. which is super scary. You can see that in the game. You can see stuffing, and maybe the hunter is taxidermy himself, which is a dark theory. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Now, I recommend you go play Little Nightmares, and you play Very Little Nightmares. Bandai Namco is such a cool person. So, yeah. See you guys later.